Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Alaxiam. Today I'll be representing my team for the group project. So in this project we'll see a circuit that detects when a laser beam is interrupted by an object, and in response it activates a buzzer and switches on an AC light. So let's jump into the circuit. So this is the project. In this project I have used a BC547 transistor, a 1 kilo ohm resistor, and a LDR sensor, a buzzer, and 10 kilo ohm resistor for this light, and a relay for controlling this AC light, and a laser light, and 5-volt DC source for power up this circuit and also this laser light. So overall, the LDR sensor detects the changes in light levels. When the laser beam emitted by our laser light is interrupted, the LDR sensor triggers the system into action. This signal is then passed through the PC547 transistor, acting as a switch to control the relay. Consequently, the relay activates the AC light. Meanwhile, the buzzer provides an audible alert to notify a potential security breach. So let's power up this project and see how it works. So that's the end of the video. In conclusion, this project represents our collective dedication and passion. Thank you everyone for hearing and giving us your time and attention.